think what makes me most proud of this accomplishment is that I get to represent SVSU in this way. I'm a first-generation college student. I selected SVSU as the school I wanted to go to. I worked really hard. I got my degree. I took that knowledge, and I built a really great career with it. So it feels to me like it's come full circle to be recognized by my colleagues and peers for this award. I got my foundation at SVSU. I learned to be a really great technical accountant there, and I was able to take that knowledge into Dow and make something of it. But I also learned business and financial acumen, how to be a leader, how to build relationships, all things that contributed to my professional success and have had a really big impact on my career. I would be remiss if I didn't mention one professor that had a really big impact on me. Her name was Marilyn Knight. She was my intermediate accounting professor, which is one of the harder courses you take in the accounting program at Saginaw Valley. And what I remember about her, she was small but mighty. She came into the classroom with such a presence, always looking professional, could relay the material in a way that you understood and you could follow. But she was also very giving of her time. She took the time to meet with students to help reinforce the concepts so that we would be successful as we ventured out into the world. And so I very much admired her, and she's been in my thoughts a lot throughout my career, just in terms of her presence and the impact she had on me personally. With success comes opportunity, and with more opportunity comes confidence. And so I've been really blessed in Dow, where I've had a lot of very great opportunities that have made me really visible to the organization, and I've been able to give back mainly through mentoring and coaching of other employees within the company, mainly in the finance function. So I take time out of my schedule every day to meet with people one-on-one and give them career advice, development advice, some morale boosting, whatever it might be. I feel really passionate about giving back to people in the company because others did that for me.